So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active, because you cannot watch KCAL-DT or KCAL-9 without having YouTube TV base plan first. So on the home page of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon, and then you want to click on all to see all the network, and right here on the YouTube TV network, you want to click on it. And then you want to buy this YouTube TV base plan by paying for 16 bucks per month, and you can get free trial. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And then after you book the package, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for KCAL-DT, right here on the KCAL-DT network. You want to click on it, and then you can scroll down and see the live session of the KCAL-9. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.